Silver Neko.
That's back. It's been 7 years.
You still pay Steel's beat that time.
You just say things have changed a lot since he left town.
That's for sure.
I gotta send a message of who's really in charge of things now. Welcome home. I'm gonna make you wish that you'd stayed gone. Say hello to a new status quo. Everyone knows that there's a brand new dawn. Turn the TV on. Top of the hour, we're discussing a certain has-been who has been spotted cavorting around town for 7 years now. Did anybody know this? More on tonight's program. So the radio demon is back in town. Handley, I've got good news. He's a loser, a fossil, and I don't need to sound hostile. The demon is a coward. He can take that as gospel. Like my viewers impossible. And visual, he's barely audible. Stop giving him the time of day. Don't listen to a word he'd say. I hope he had a nice vacay, but he should have stayed away. While he hid in radio. Now his media is getting Hell's been better since he split with him.
Salutations! Good to be back on the air. Yes, I know it's been a while since Open Style treated hell to a broadcast. Sing us for joy.
Dated voice.
Instead of a cloud-chasing mediocre video podcast, Club's insecure episode of the Lord splitting between this, that, and that. Is nothing working? Everything is got a new format.
You're looking at the future. He's the comes before that.
It's not as strong as he reports, or is it based on his support? He'd be powerless without the other bees. And he was a sugar on the cream. He asked me to join his team. I said no, and now he's busy. That's a team.
You old tiny twig. I'll show you suffering.
Oh, the TV is buffering.
I'll destroy you.
I'm gonna make you wish that I'd stay gone. Tune on in when I'm done. Your status quo will know its race is run. Oh, this will be fun.
Now, second place. The winner of $500. Rhea Rampere, Fox.